Germany is set to cut greenhouse emissions by 55% until 2030, and it is aiming for net zero by 2050. In 2019, the first national climate law was passed. This law dictates annual reduction targets for all sectors and industries. Germany is one of 11 nations worldwide which have committed to achieving greenhouse gas neutral by enforceable policy documents. While some countries are only committed to reducing CO2 emissions, the EU and Germany are targeting all greenhouse gases. Phasing out nuclear-fission energy by 2022. Probably the most controversial and most talked about. Germany has decided nuclear-fission energy is not sustainable in the long term, giving renewable energy priority. In the form of legislation, Germany is encouraging investment in renewable energy and driving prices down. This Renewable Energy Act is being copied in multiple other nations. Taxing fossil fuel in vehicles and energy production. The eco-tax is applied to gasoline and diesel for vehicles, as well as heating and energy production. Money collected through tax this way is being used to offset costs elsewhere. Utilizing wasted energy in power plants. This is called cogeneration, and it is a method of recovering heat energy which is usually dissipated and wasted in power generation. Cogeneration usually generates power and heat together, raising fuel efficiency up to 90%. Using renewable heat in buildings. Installing renewable heat sources in buildings and renovating old buildings to be more efficient. Homes and buildings are starting to generate their own electricity and heat. Expanding the grid to deliver energy more efficiently. In order to deliver renewable energy to the end users, the grid needs to be expanded and updated. This work has been underway from a decade ago. Conserving energy in buildings. Germany is revamping building energy standards and giving old buildings incentives to be renovated to meet new standards. They are also developing an efficient building strategy, designed with sustainability in mind. Regulations and designs have been introduced to household appliances like light bulbs, refrigerators, and electric motors with the worst environmental performances. Manufacturers are challenged to find new solutions to save materials and reduce their environmental footprint. Improving and encouraging alternative transport. Public transport and extensive bike paths are actively utilized. Making traffic movements bike-friendly is also a big part of the policy. Motor vehicle companies are shifting their core focus to electric vehicles in light of the new policies and laws. Proper recycling. Germany is known for their complicated recycling system, and a culture of sorting your waste properly has been well implemented in the society. Reducing waste is also a big part of reducing emissions.